Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see SSCR, short circuit current rating. It is a very technical and important part while designing an industrial control panel. The definition of SSCR is SSCR represents the highest short circuit current that equipment such as industrial control panels can safely withstand without causing a fire or shock hazard. Exceeding the SSCR can cause catastrophic and violent equipment components and enclosure failure. As we know, when there is a fault like a line to line fault and other fault, short circuit happens, then the basic thing is current of a whole system is increases. So your component should withstand that highest current for some time. So you should have a SSCR value according to your application. Consider your component having 5k SSCR value, which is short circuit current value, and your limit of a short circuit k, which is 10k. So when there is fault often occur and the fault is greater than 10k, then your component is not going to survive that value. So you have to consider according to that. So there are standards while designing your industrial control panel. UL508A, which is very important and widely used in industrial control panel. There are various standards, but we have to look at the 508A. There is a overall procedure to find out your SSCR and how you are going to take it. There are steps or rules. So first rule is like identify the lowest component SSCR or the component combination of SSCR rating with overcurrent protection device. So you have to find the lowest SSCR value. If you having 10 or 100 components in your industrial control panel, then you have to find the base value or the minimum SSCR rating value. So you will know the lowest value of your SSCR which can withstand the overcurrent or short circuit current. So the second rule is increase the branch component SSCR and a component combination SSCR rating with a feeder current limiting OCPD. So if you are working with a feeder, your industrial control panel is directly connected to the feeder. So you have to consider the SSCR value according to your feeder, because feeder SSCR value is very high. So you have to consider that and you have to purchase component according to your feeder SSCR value. Then third rule is identify the lowest interruption rating of a overcurrent protection device in an industrial control panel. So according to your SSCR value, you have to find the protection devices, so protect your or limit your component from the any errors or any hazards. So this is the important while designing your industrial control panel. If you want to know about other standards, you can go to this website standardscatalog.ul.com. You will get a lot of standards, but we have to focus upon UL508A. So let's move on. So how you are going to find SSCR? It is always given in your component ratings. While you purchase any component like MCB, MCCB or your switch gear, so you will get a catalog. While you see the catalog, there is one parameter is like rated short circuit and short time rating, which is KARMS. So you will get already the SSCR value. According to that SSCR value, you have to check or select your component. You consider your component have to withstand for 40 SSCR value, short circuit current value, or 40k RMS value. So according to that you will select your component. So you don't have to calculate again for your SSCR with your component. You are directly going to get a SSCR from your components. So this is the example with a feeder circuit. So there is minimum and maximum value which can withstand to your components, or you have one minimum and maximum value to your whole system. So this is a feeder circuit and there is a branch circuit. While in the branch circuit, you can see there are various fuse you can select, like you can take a minimum value of 8k or higher, it can be raised to 50k, or branch circuit you can take a 10k to maximum to 100k. So according to your application you have a minimum and maximum value of SSCR. So according to that you can take your SSCR value. So there is one more component which is very helpful while industrial control panel designing. If you want to fix your SSCR value, then this power distribution block can use. So it is protected with J fuses and it is capable of fixing your SSCR value. If you consider, if you want to take SSCR value to only 200k, so you can use this block to fix your SSR value to 200 kV. It will not increase over 200 or more than that, so it will be fix your SSR value. So next question is, what will happen if we skip the SSR value? So this will happen to your whole industrial control panel. It will burn out, because when short circuit occur or any fire hazard is developed, then it is going to be burn out. So as you can see, there is SSR value is 5K, and which is increased a lot. So avalanche value is 65K, it is increasing more than that, so it is burnout. So it is very important while designing an industrial control panel. You have to select SSR values and calculate your SSR value, and according to that you have to select your components. If you do not take SSR part in your designing, then it will be very hazardous for designing any industrial control panel. So if you have any question regarding SSR, you can ask me in the Q&A. Thank you very much.